Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Today, after we purchased Ms. Garza's classroom, and their names are?
Marina, Giovanni, Numa.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and we will start our pledges.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of
The United States of America,
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, one indivisible, with liberty
and justice for all. And now the Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to you, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
At this time, will you please remain standing for your moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. All right. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe and loved and respected. This means at home, during the school day, or on the bus. If anyone at home, on the bus, or at school makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please find a trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. Today on the 16th, we have no birthdays, so happy unbirthday to you. We do have a couple of announcements. 4th grade have a writing DA today, so good luck. Today is Shine Bright on Wednesday. Wear sparkling or blinking accessories. Tomorrow is our ugly sweater day, and also we have Writer Bites going on from 9 to 11. The character education themes for this month are honesty and integrity. A good maxim to live by is do not repeat anything you will not sign your name to. That shows true integrity. All right, so something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours, and we hope today you have a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.